Hi, Rich, and shout out to Zoisi. Rich, I want to thank you very much for the video you posted by the end of November. I was made aware to that video by the interview of Zoisi with words of wisdom. So basically, I saw the first time in your video that basically specific candles will be traded to at a specific time during the week. And from when we look back at last week's trading, I wanted to share two findings with you, or like one finding with specifically that was not mentioned in your video back then. So the first finding was that usually those candles, they tend to be respected by the price action when they are in line with the generation of the weekly profile or with the logic of the weekly profile. That's number one. And the number two is basically that specific events like we had last week, the Microsoft earnings publications, exactly after the end of trading, after 4 p.m., tend to skew the algorithm a little bit. So basically, I can quickly show you three use cases here. Basically here, at the beginning of the intra-week market reversal, the first signature is a strong Monday open. And we had here the 9 a.m. order block, the bullish order block here. It's the two red candles that I have marked from top to low. And we see here that on Thursday, basically, which is the third signature of the intra-week market reversal, that on Thursday, exactly the 9 a.m. down candle traded into the 9 a.m. order block candle, rejected that area, and triggered or initiated the Thursday reversal into the Friday high close. So that was the number one. Number two use cases we had from last week Wednesday, the 1 p.m. bearish order block. I have marked it again from top to low on this order block and pulled the area up into Wednesday trading of the last trading week. And we see here again, as you can remember, Wednesday after trading, we had the meta numbers that caused those huge red candle here. And we can see here again, exactly in the intra-week market reversal, the second signature is a Wednesday correction. The Wednesday will correct the Monday and Tuesday expansion and trigger the Thursday reversal once the Thursday price is dropping below the Wednesday low. And here I wanted to point your attention to the 1 p.m. 1 hour candle on Wednesday that traded into the midway of the 1 p.m. order block of last week Wednesday, the 17th April, and rejected that area and triggered the bearish short-term market order flow. Yeah. And the third one, we had here again on Wednesday last week, we had here the 3 a.m. p.m. order block, the bearish order block. If I again project the area of the order block into Friday, I can see two things. First, from the Thursday reversal, not the 3 o'clock candle is expanding into this order block. No, it's after the 3 o'clock candle closes, 3 or 4 minutes later, after the publication of the Microsoft earnings, exactly the first 4 minutes of this 4 o'clock candle make it up to the 3 a.m. p.m. order block. Usually, I think we should have had, if we wouldn't have Microsoft earnings scheduled on that day, I think this expansion here would be much more strong and much more faster, quicker in order to get into this order block. But because of the earnings, it just got delayed by a couple of minutes. And the last thing here, again, the Wednesday 3 a.m. p.m. order block, I can see here that the intra-week market reversal, weekly profile, is being ended with the 3 a.m. p.m. down candle on the Friday p.m. session. And we see that how this candle is reaching again into the halfway of this order block area and then rejects that. And with this candle, basically the weekly profile is closed and finished in terms of what the algo is concerned, on which liquidity areas it's going to run to. And that was it basically, you know. The takeaways are basically what you showed in your video. It is being very significant when we take also the weekly profile into consideration. And the second point that I wanted to give as a takeaway is that earnings or publication of important earnings tend to slightly skew the precision of the algo. All right. Thank you. Keep up the good work. Take care. And yeah, I would be very happy for a like on this video. Bye-bye.